Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 6 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to finish adding the furnitures, and we also added a car and all the doors, interior, exterior, and the garage door. So now we're going to start and go to level 2. Here, as you can see, we have an underlay. That's good. Most of the time, I turn on the underlay for level 1 for the base, and the top is level 2. So that's good so that we could just recreate the outside. And once we create that, we could just change it up a little bit on the finish. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna click wall, and we want to make sure that we're gonna choose exterior wall number 1, which is right here, and then we just need to make sure that it's up to level 3, and then wall center line, and then chain, so which is all default right now. So now I'm just going to recreate all the exterior line. So we can click here. So you want to make sure that you're not overlapping all the walls. Okay, and then now we go and close it. You can press escape and then escape again. So now that we don't need the layers below or the layout, what we can do is we can turn it off now. So just go to your properties, make sure you escape both, press escape twice so that you're not selecting anything anymore, and then go underlay, and then here put it to none. So now everything will disappear except for the stairs. So now I'm just gonna edit something here. I'm gonna pull this back a little. So around 2000. So from here, I'm just gonna type in around, let's pull it out from here. Let's do 2000. Sorry. So instead of 200, let's put 2000. So from the D line, so grid line, should be 2000 from here. And then now you want to make sure that we're gonna use the interior wall. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to add a wall all the way here in the middle. So I'm not gonna join them yet because we need to make sure that the face here is aligned. So click on AL to align, click there, and then here. Now it's aligned. Let's join them all together. And then now we just need to pull it all the way down, all the way right here as well. And we have a problem here. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull it back again. And then I'm just gonna align this. So maybe the problem is, so let me check this on our underlay. We need to make sure that, so press escape first, go back to underlay, level 1. So this one is perfect right here, except for here. So I know what to do now is we need this face to be the consistent one. So I'm gonna pull this out. This is the face that we need to align to so that everything is consistent until below. And then now we need to make sure to fix the ones right here. I'm not gonna make sure, I wanna make sure that this is not joined yet. And then now we need to move this back. So I believe we need to move it back. Let me just push this or align it there. So AL, I'm gonna align this to there. So the garage, this garage, what do you call this, wall should be aligned right here. So now everything will align. So now once we go back to level 2, we need to move this one as well. Let's align this. And then now everything aligns below as well. So that's me being, I'm just being anal like that. And now we can just turn it on, off, and then we could place most of our walls right now. So now we have this, we could just select it and CS. That's easier to do. So first we're gonna do bedroom 3. Just add in a wall, and then once you click the wall, it will create a temporary dimension. I want this one to be 5,120. So now it's above this C grid. So that's perfect. Okay, I'm just gonna move it there. Still selected, CS again. This will be around 2,000. So now I need this one to be 2,000 onto the other side. Okay, so that's the spacing that I want. It's just below this D grid right here. And then we have this walk-in closet that is around 2,000 as well. So we could just copy this and then use the copy to add 2,000. So this is 2,000 as well. And then here, so what we could do is we could just add in a wall right here and just connect everything. So I'm gonna add a wall right here and then align it there. AL on the edge. And then now what we could do is we could just align everything all together. So I think that's the simplest way I should have done so that everything is lining up. So that wall will be aligning all the way there. And yeah, this is still big enough. So this is the master walk-in closet, and then we have the ensuite, and then this is a laundry, and then we have another bedroom right here, another bedroom right here. So let's concentrate here and add in the bedroom as well. So this is around 4,450. 4,450. And then now we could just close it like that. And then this is the remaining for the washroom. Click here, CS. Here, we're just gonna connect it right here. We want to make sure that everything is aligned properly. So I'm just gonna pull it out, AL, and then so that everything is on the edge. Click it here, CS, and then let's align this one basically like that. AL, I want it to align on this edge of the stairs, and then now I could just put it or join them all together. So now we have a bath here, we have a bedroom here as well. I know you cannot visualize it yet because we haven't added the door. So I'm gonna add the door right now. I'm gonna add the door like so here, and then the other one is right here. This one facing right here. So always press spacebar to change orientation, and then left or right side, depending on the side that you want to place the door. So now press spacebar there. This is for the master, like that. Um, for the walk-in closet, it's either you put a door or an opening only. It's up to you. For now, I'm just gonna add in a door like so. And then obviously, we need to add a door right here for the washroom. And then a small wall right here. That's for the toilet. So we could just change it or move it later on. Maybe it's too big. So let's pull it down something like that. Okay. So at least you guys can envision. Um, we could add in the beds and some fixtures. What I could do right now is um, let's close the 3D. Let's only have level 1 and level 2. This is the easiest way of adding some of the furniture from level 1 to level 2. So let's go to view and then click on tile views. As you can see, we have the level 1 on the right side and level 2 on the left side. So instead of you looking, going to going to component and then looking around here, which we already have so many loaded, the fastest way of um, adding those the stuff that we already added is by using create similar. So what you can do is we have two tiles right here. If you click it on the right side, which is level 1, um, and then type it CS on the other side. So for example here, CS, and then click it on the other side, you'll be able to add it. Something like that. Press escape, do it again, select this, CS, and then now you just need to click on the level 2. So basically you're grabbing it from the other side, which is a lot faster. So that's some technique that we do on the on the office so that it's easy, because some of the projects that we do, um, most of the time it's multiple levels. So this is a fast way of getting stuff that we already have. The stuff that probably I'm gonna get from here is some of the furnitures as well, like this side table and then this. So it will be easy here. We already got this. Even the doors, you can add it, but the doors you can just select. We just loaded a couple, so that's easy to get. But yeah, so something to think about when you're doing projects. Um, and then now, I believe we need to load in some other stuff. Um, let's add in some tub and some shower. So go back to the main, go back to plumbing, architecture, fixtures, and then you can get the bathtubs. Let's add in the bathtubs right here. 2D only. We don't need the 3D. So here, CM again, and then you can just load it right here. So now we have a bathtub right here. Press escape. You can move it around. You can give space depending on what you have. But the families that we have is a wall base, so that's good enough. And then let's add in a shower. So go back to fixture, shower. This shower is too small. Maybe we could edit it. So CM right here, add it. Let's see if we could change it from here. So yes, we could change it from here. What we could do is we could put in 1500 and 1500. Let's see how big it is from here, which is just perfect, I believe. We could just extend this one as well. Um, maybe this one should be 1700. Okay, so that looks huge and proper for the size of this one. Obviously, let's go back here. We just need to add in some lines. Um, those lines represents the table. So what I can do is go to annotate, detailed line, and then let's just add a line right here. And then what we can do is move it somewhere here so that that line, make sure this is just thin lines. So just to look like a table or the top. Make sure you're not on demolish. Just put it on thin lines and then now create your lines. Okay, so that looks good. Specifically, let's do that for our walk-in closet. So detail line, most of the time we need to add a line first and then some broken lines after. Okay, so that looks proper. I made a mistake. It should be around. Other way around, demolish here, and then this is there we go. This basically represents something down there, like a rod or something. And then we could load in another sink. Um, what I could do is we could just add this now. CS. I believe we're done with here. I'm just gonna add two here. We're gonna add in the bed in the middle, and then let's add this one. CS again. Move it on the other side, and it maintains the elevation level. So that's something that is good. You don't need to set it anymore. Maybe a sofa as well, right here. So CS, Okay, so that's good. We have a sofa right here, and then I know this is too big for a bed, so we could just add in some shelvings. Maybe we could add this. No, some dresser. So we're gonna add the dresser. So we can now close this. I believe we're done with this part. So let's stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.